Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at Jen's Arty Inclinations, a place to create, share and play.
Hello. So today I'm using watercolour pencils. We all sort of know this method. You put some pencil down and then you just add some water and that will make a watercolour. So sometimes you can sort of mix the colours a little bit, but I've discovered you can do paint splatters. Yes, that's right. Many other people may have already known this, but I didn't. All you have to do is just get a brush and you flick off the end of your pencil. This is one of those water-filled brushes. This is great. Be careful not to dip your pencil in water because that doesn't ever work out very well. But doing this, look at those splatters. And you can even see how the colour mix with the blue and the red together when I first went straight from the blue to the red pencil. How cool!
You can like and subscribe below, and as always, keep creating. See you next time. Bye.